In this video, I'll show you how to stop spam messages on Facebook using your phone. Spam messages can come from unknown people or suspicious accounts, but you can reduce them by adjusting a few settings. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap the menu icon to open the menu page. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Inside the Settings page, find the section called Privacy and look for Message Delivery or Message Controls. Tap on this option to manage who can send you messages. Here you will see options for people you may know and others on Facebook. Change these settings so that messages from unknown people are sent to message requests or not delivered at all. This helps prevent spam messages from reaching your main inbox. If someone is already sending you spam, open the conversation, tap the person's name at the top, then choose Block or Restrict to stop them from messaging you again. You can also tap the Report option if the messages look suspicious or harmful. Adjusting these settings will help keep your inbox cleaner and safer. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.